guys, my name is Javidan here, and yep, just a quick tutorial to you how to make an annoying pop-up like this fake error message. So press your Windows button and your R button and type Notepad and press enter. So okay, so here type whatever type. So type do x equals msg. It's a short message, short name for message. So msg box quotation. So I'm gonna zoom this out, make the text much larger for you to see. 1 plus 64. This will be your title right here. Right here. And after that, loop. Save as frank.vbs. So this will be your file extension .vbs. Choose file type all files and save. Here our file here. So it won't close unless you task kill it. So search up task manager and task kill this. If it doesn't appear on your apps section, then it will probably appear in the background process, so try to close that. Okay, so you can also customize it. You can do it 1 plus 32. See, new button. You can prank your friends with it. So that's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully I get, a million subscribers. Okay, bye.